What's up guys, and welcome back to a brand new vlog. So today's vlog is going to be bonfire weekend and like just bonfire night. So it's the Friday at the moment and I bought the fireworks and me and my big brother and that is going to test out. We're going to test out one of the rockets to just see how it goes. Bought 3 packets of sparklers, big giant ones at 18 inches, and I got, so there's 5 in each packet, so I got 3, so there's 15 sparklers. So I'm going to use a packet and get some pictures of my wee sister and that, holding them up. So I'm going to be doing some behind the scenes of it. So I'm going to set up my other camera and use this camera I'm filming on right now, the pictures. So if you want to go and see the pictures, go over my Instagram and you'll see them there. So my Instagram is taken by Marky, and if you want to follow me on Snapchat, it's taken by Marky as well. The camera I'm filming on right now it's my dad's, and it's the Sony A5100, and he's just got a new camera as well. He got the Sony A6300, shoots at 4K and 1080p at 120 frames per second. So I'm going to be using that. If you want to see a video on the Sony A comparing with the Sony A5100, make sure you smash the like button on this video and leave a comment down below if you want to see that video. Other than that, let's get into today's video, and I hope you enjoy the rest of the video, so let's get into it. Right, ready?
Aye.
Wait.
You want me to light it?
Aye. From the other side.
Ah, no. You ready?
Go. You bastard.
Ready, aye?
Aye.
I could just fucking eye it. I don't know. They've done it, what's it like? See for the next time. Ah! It's done it. I don't know. Oh, that's in it. There's nothing going on. It's my fucking eye. Focus. Fuck it. It's very close to my eye, man.
Aye, you bastard.
Get around it, quick. Right, you're not doing my man.
Right guys, so it's finally fireworks night. Hope you enjoyed that part of the vlog. It was just showing you like some behind the scenes of the pictures, and that was just a wee test to get the settings right properly, so I don't need to do it all over and muck about, because my wee sister and my big brother get moody in that when I muck about with the settings. But that's why I do test shots. Going to let off some rockets and that first, then after they've done the fountains and stuff, we're going to do the sparkles. Hope you enjoy the rest of the vlog, so stick around and watch the rest of the vlog, and hope you enjoy. And I'm going to go live on my Instagram as well, so if you want to follow me on Instagram, go and follow me on Instagram so you can know when I go live and stuff. So go and follow me on Instagram and Snapchat, taken by Marky, and let's get in the rest of the vlog.
Is this a feud? This goes.
Come, shush.
I got it as it was going out.
So I'm just going to end this vlog here, but I'm just going to talk about a few things. Sorry I never had much more footage. I did have more footage when I was filming on my big brother's iPhone to get some slow motion shots, but for some reason I tried to put them from my phone over to my computer and they're not coming up on my computer. I can't really find them anywhere, so I'm sorry if I couldn't get the slow motion shots in. Enjoyed the vlog. I hope if you just want to go and see some more of the pictures, go over to my Instagram, taken by Market, and go and like them. And I'm going to start vlogging on this wee camera, so maybe I have more top quality content for yous, and look out for the future content, because just look out. And next video is going to be more fun because I'm going to be doing a camera review. I'm going to be doing a review on the Sony A6300, so I'm just editing the vlog right now for this vlog. Sorry my walls are bare. I'm getting my room redecorated, so yeah. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.